Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video, we are going to unbox the pTron earbuds. Actually, this is the budget earbuds. I purchased this in Amazon.in at cost of rupees 499 rupees only, guys. It's very cheap. Actually, it's very cheap price. And let's now we are going to unbox this earbuds. Let's come on, it's time to unbox. Fit very tight case actually. Okay, finally we have unboxed this pTron. Oops, here you can see the box is already opened. I don't know why, and it is a packed product only. Okay, no issues. We can take out this buds. Actually, this is the budget earbuds. Okay, here what they are given. Let's first see this. Let's check this out. Here you can see, guys, they have given type C port cable for charging purpose, I think so, for this earbuds, and they have given this two buds. Let's keep this aside. And next thing is they have given something like pTron Be Proud. Okay, operating instruction and user guide for Bassbuds Duo. You can scan this also. And our products are backed up with limited warranty. It's good. Okay, you can scan this QR code for warranty purpose, and for if you need any operating instructions means you can use this QR code. Okay guys, let's keep this aside. And oh, it's good, they have provided the extra buds, guys. Actually, you can see they are given another two buds. Okay, let's take out this, and here you can see the one earbud is already turned on. You can see the light is glowing up. Let's take this out, the another one. You can see the light started glowing up. Okay, let's take this out. Okay, that's all, guys. There is no left, nothing. Okay, we need to take this out. Wow, it looks very classic and glossy, guys. Here you can see it's very shiny. It's smooth and very shiny. We can open this up. We can insert. We can insert it up like this, guys. Yeah, you can see likewise. You can insert it up, and we can close it up. And here is the type C charging cable they have provided. And okay guys, let's come to the feature of this earbuds. Actually, okay, in content in this box they did not mention anything like features. Yeah, here you can see they have mentioned the common features. It's very slippery, guys. Actually, here you can see, just stop this. Okay, and this is a connectivity advanced wireless, and the wireless range is up to 10 meters, and they are given speaker drive for 13 mm. Okay, and total playback time is 32 hours, guys. They officially claimed. And charging unit is type C, and earbuds battery is 35 mAh battery they are using in this. And what they are given, yeah, case battery is 300 mAh, 1 hour charging time. Okay, Okay, it's impressive sound and 32 hours playtime. It's truly wireless headphones. And guys, actually here you can see this is the made in India product, and what means the product cost is 419 rupees only, guys. I think it's a very value for money product actually, because at this budget price range they are offering a wireless earbuds with type C port, and they are offering another. Here you can see these two buds were extras. They are offering this too, so it's a super value product. And another thing is they are providing stereo audio, and there is a touch controls is also there, TWS, and with mic. And they are claiming this is IPX4 water resistance also is there, and they are providing a Bluetooth 5.1 technology, guys, in this. And regarding this, that's all, guys. Finally we have completed this unboxing of this pTron earbuds, and at this price range it looks very good, guys. You can see it's very glossy. I will upload a review video after using this product. And okay, guys, regarding this, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you're having any doubts or questions, just ask in the comment section. Definitely I'll reply. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, guys, let's we can see you in next video. Bye.